Hi guys, so it's day one of my little like room makeover, I guess. This is what my room looks like right now. It's super messy. My bed is getting delivered tomorrow, so right now my mom and I have to take apart this bed and move it out of my room so that there's room for the new one. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so it's a lot later now. It is currently 11:10. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the situation. I feel like I didn't explain anything earlier, really. This is where my new bed is gonna go because it is not a day bed, thank God. I am so excited to no longer have a day bed. I did have to take some of my collage wall down just because they're gonna put the bed right there. And basically, I'm gonna be taking the entire thing down because we are gonna be painting my room white. So I think that's it for tonight. Sorry for all the talking. I feel like I just had to like kind of explain what the plan is for my room. I'm so excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow on day 2. Hi guys, it's day 2. As you probably remember from last night, my bed was supposed to get delivered today, but my mom just called me and said she had some bad news. Basically, the place called her and said that they did not have my bed in stock in white, which was the color that I wanted. And they thought they did, and they like told us that they had it in stock, which is obviously why we bought it, but they don't have it. So they said that we were gonna have to wait 10 to 14 days if we wanted it. So we'll see what happens. I'll update you guys when I know what we're gonna do. Hi guys, so about the bed, we decided to keep the one that I originally got instead of like trying to get a new one because I really liked it and I feel like it would be worth it to wait for it. I also ordered some other stuff for my room that should be getting here later this week, just some like smaller things. I ordered this album, which I'm so excited about. It came in the mail yesterday and I've never owned like an album before, and I don't know, I think they're like all like this. Like I think I'm just dumb and I didn't know this, but they come with like a poster. I'm not gonna try to take it out right now because it's like stuck, I don't know, and I don't want to mess it up or anything. It's just like a cute little square poster that kind of looks like this. I am literally so excited about this. Oh my gosh, you guys will see what I'm gonna do with it later on in the video. You're probably like, what is going on in your room right now, because it looks so different and I haven't even like explained. Basically, you guys did not miss out on anything. We're just preparing to paint. So my dresser is currently in the middle of my room right now. It used to be on that back wall. I took my collage wall down. I will show you guys what I did with the pictures in a second. My mattress is just in the middle of the room. My desk is gone. We're just getting prepared to paint. We just need to like tape everything off and stuff. I'll show you guys what I did with my collage. I ordered another collage kit from the same website that I got this one. It's just different pictures because I realized I am like really tired of some of the pictures on this wall. I'm gonna do it a little bit different this time. You guys will see that later though. So I basically organized them into piles. This right here is the no pile. That means that I am not putting these back up. I don't like them. They're probably just gonna go into storage. This is the maybe pile. These are all the pictures that I kind of like and that might go back up just in case I need like some filler pictures or something. And then this is the yes pile. These are all the pictures that I love and that are definitely gonna go back up on my wall. So I'm gonna combine this pile with some of the pictures from the new dream kit that I ordered. That's what it's called. It's called the dream kit. The one that I have right now is called the collage kit. So if you want it, I will link the website down below. And then these are some of the pictures that are just like smaller that I cut up to make it look more like a collage. But yeah, so I think that's about it. I think we're gonna start painting tonight. So I will update you guys later. Ridiculous right now. I literally have paint on my face and I'm wearing these glasses as like goggles because paint would get all up in my eyes if I didn't. But I just wanted to update you guys. My room is white, not fully quite yet, but it's getting there. But yeah, this is what my room looks like right now. We got all the paint stuff right here. We are currently working on the second coat. I think we're almost done with it, but obviously you can see that on this wall we have not done the second coat yet. We're gonna need to do a third coat. I don't know if you can tell as much on camera, but it's definitely still super like, not streaky, I don't know the word. You can still see some of the gray under it in some spots. I literally look so ridiculous right now. I'm probably not gonna vlog anymore tonight because it's literally just gonna be so boring. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with some more updates. Hi guys, so here's a little update on my room. This is what it looks like. It is completely white now. Here's this other wall by the door. So today is kind of a big day in terms of my room. I am about to pick up all these drop cloths and clean everything up because my bed is coming later today, so I just need to get all this cleaned up because we obviously can't have this when they get here. And then also before they get here, I want to put up some new LED lights. So you guys probably know that I had some in my room before around my door and then on my bed. Literally the only reason I had them in those places was because I was too lazy to get the long LED lights. So I was like, you know what, since I'm redoing my room, like we're going all out, I'm gonna get the ones that are like really long so that I can put them like up around my ceiling. So I'm super excited about those. That's everything we're gonna do today. So let's get started picking up the drop cloth. Okay, so everything is all picked up. I just need to vacuum now. Right now I'm gonna be attempting to put up my new LED lights. These are the ones that I got. I'll have them linked down below. They're just from Amazon and I think they're 65 feet. That's more than I need, but I just wanted to make sure I had enough. I'm kind of nervous about these because there's 2 strips in here that I need to like connect somehow. I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I'm back with another update. I vacuumed, so the floor is looking real nice right now. And then I also got my LED lights up. It is 2 separate strands that are 32 feet each. It's not just one 65-foot strand. So I had to get a little bit creative, have them both go up right here and then branch out different ways. My dad had the great idea of using thumbtacks to kind of keep the wires in place. It is not going through the wire. It's like right under it. Sorry, it's not focusing. So I just kind of like wedged it under there so that they just stay in place. I think it looks super nice. You can barely see it. Also, they do come with a remote. So here is what they look like all complete. You can also control them through your phone, so you get to choose whichever way you want to do it. Also, my dad moved my dresser back. Obviously, there is just like a ton of crap on it right now, but we're gonna fix that after my bed gets here. I am gonna go through the pictures I got from my collage kit today and just organize them so I know which ones I want to keep and like put up on my wall and then which ones I don't want to use. So I think I'm gonna put on some Euphoria and go through the pictures. All right, piles are all done. This is the no, I don't really like these pile. This is the maybe I like them, but like I don't need to have them on my wall pile. And these are the ones that I love that I really would like to have on my wall. I think I did mention this earlier, but this is the dream kit that I just got. And then I also have the collage kit. I'll probably update you guys in a little bit. There's not much I can do until my bed gets here, which should be in a couple hours, I think. So I will update you guys then, most likely. Hold it like this.
Oh, I can do it filming.
If you want to turn it around, you just go like that.
Ooh.
And then, so you can...
Oh, I can talk to myself?
Yeah, you can do it.
All right, so we're looking at the new bed right here. Hold on. And what do you guys think? I think I'm looking too high. I'm not supposed to be looking at the camera. I'm supposed to be looking lower, I think. All right, let's see if we can kind of like get the new bed in here. There we go. Oh, it's got the headboard all the way to the end. There we go. Oh yeah, you can see the headboard right there. That's perfect. That looks nice. Oh, there's McKenna. You might know her.
Maybe. Okay, so I know my dad took some clips earlier. I don't know what he already showed you though, but this is my bed all finished. I already put my comforter on and then some pillows. And then I just wanted to show you guys this bottom part. This like entire thing, I can't do it by myself, but this entire thing pulls out and it's a trundle. But then these 3 bottom drawers actually work as drawers. Like these ones do not. We also put my desk and my mirror back. All the furniture is kind of just like back where it's supposed to be. I'm just super excited to do my wall. I'm gonna try to do it tonight, but I need to run to Target to get some stuff to like hang it up with. Once my wall is on, it'll start looking like my room again. Right now, it looks kind of like a hospital room. Everything's white. It just, I don't know. I feel like I would go crazy if I was in here for too long, but keep in mind, it is not done. There's gonna be so many decorations, so much color in here, which I'm so excited for. I'm gonna run to Target and then put up my wall. Hi guys, so I got some packages today and I thought it would be fun to unbox them really quick. This first one is from Amazon. This next package I am so excited about. This one got here in one day. Okay. It's my new record player. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a record player for the longest time. This one is the Victrola Bluetooth turntable. I got it in blue. This thing was gonna take forever to get here on Amazon, but I found it on Walmart and it got here in one day, like I said. That is so fast. Plus it was free shipping. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's so cute. I hope it works well because it was not that expensive. It was only $45. And I feel like record players usually go for a lot more. So this is definitely one of the ones on on the least expensive end, which is good when you're redoing your entire room. I do not know how to use this thing. I'm gonna read the instructions and figure it out a little bit, and I'll show you guys once I set it up. Okay guys, so here is what it looks like all set up. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a stand for it, so I'm just keeping it on this little crate. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys with another update tomorrow. Hi guys, just wanted to update you really quick. I just got some more packages in the mail. This one from Amazon came. I just got my vinyls. So I got Free Spirit by Collage. I got 2014 Forest Hills Drive and Case Study 01 by Daniel Caesar. And then tonight I think we're gonna go to Home Depot to get the shelves. So I will show you guys that right now. Alright guys, so now that you've seen the finished room, it's time to give you the tour. So this is what you see when you walk in. So first thing we have is my trash can. My trash can is from Target. And then right here we have my dresser. This little wood thing right here is actually a sign. It's meant to be hung up, but I just use it flat like this. It's from Target. This plant right here, I do not know where it's from. It was a gift. Right here I just have a Polaroid of my best friend. I don't know where the little stand is from. Probably Urban Outfitters. Right here I have this little candle holder. This is from Five Below. If you guys have a Five Below where you live, I definitely recommend going there for room decorations because they have the cheapest, cutest stuff. Like this thing is so cute. I feel like Urban Outfitters would sell it for like 20 bucks or something. And then right here, I just keep my Glossier lip balm. I use this stuff literally all the time. It's probably the best chapstick I've ever used, so I highly recommend it. By the way, I will be including a links section in the description, so if you're wondering where anything is from, I will probably have it linked there. I'm gonna try to link everything that I can. And then over here, we have this cute little salt lamp from Five Below also. It does light up, but it is kind of a hassle just because the only way to turn it off and on is to plug it in and like take it out. But behind my dresser, there is like no space, so I can't really plug it in. So I just kind of hide the wire back there. Then right here, we have my silver play button. You guys are the reason I have this, so thank you so much. And right here, I just have this cute little fake cactus from Target. Now, right here, I have this mirror. This is from Target. I think it is so cute, and then it also opens up, so it holds all of my jewelry. Here's what the inside looks like. It is so cute. I have all of my necklaces right here, and then down here. Scrunchies are right here, and then earrings in this part. If you guys want to know where anything's from, just comment down below. This section is kind of just filled with like random stuff, so that's everything in there. Right here, we have my banana light. I love this thing so much. I think it's so cute and so fun. I got it off of Amazon. It's super light and it's plastic, so I could hang it up with just a thumbtack, which was really nice. And then with the cord, I kind of tried to hide it like behind the curtains right here. And then you can see right here that it goes down under my little windowsill and then reaches the plug. Something that I did a lot was use thumbtacks. This really helps to make the wires look a lot more neat, so I definitely recommend doing that. Right here we have my record player. It's so cute. I've actually been using it quite a bit. And then I just have it sitting on this little crate from Target. I have a bunch of books in here, and then I have my like actual records right there. And then right here, this record is Case Study 01 by Daniel Caesar. One of my all-time favorite albums. I've been listening to it so much. And then I did the same thing with the plug down here. I know it doesn't look amazing. It just looks a tiny bit better than if it was just like hanging. Now over here, we have my bed. I am in love with my new bed. I think it is so cute and so much better than my old one. I think I'll start with showing you guys the drawers. So the top three do not work as like actual real drawers. Only the bottom three do. So this first one right here is for my school stuff. I just have a pencil case, some highlighters, some textbooks, a couple of my binders, and then my planner. I actually vlogged my first day of college and showed myself organizing all of my stuff. So you guys will see that next week. All right, moving on to the second drawer. This one is like my technology drawer, I guess. So I have a bunch of camera stuff in here, chargers, batteries, a bunch of phone cases over here. I have a speaker, and then just some other random stuff back there. You guys will be seeing a wildflower cases collection video coming in probably a few days actually. And then this last drawer is just full of a bunch of random stuff. So this is a lot of my like most used stuff that just doesn't really have a place. It just needs to be like easily accessible. So I have some tissues, I have my Polaroid, I have my projector, adapter, just an extra mask. I have a book right here, a little tote bag, and then a really long charger, and then a roll of duct tape. This entire thing is actually a trundle, so it pulls out and it fits a mattress right there, but I decided to use it for storage instead. This thing is so heavy, so I cannot open it right now, but I promise you it's boring. It's just a bunch of like storage bins. All of like my bed stuff is from Target. Even this little bear, it's actually a Valentine's Day bear. It has like a Reese's right here because it came with Reese's, obviously. But like I said, all of the bedding is from Target. And then right here, this is probably one of my favorite parts of the entire room. I want to say a quick shout out to Alexis Rice, because if you watched her room video, you would know about these little shelves. You guys saw my mom and I go to Home Depot and get like a strip of wood, and then they cut it into fourths for us. The shelves were literally $8 total. Like for all 4 of them, it was $8. We also did buy command strips to hang them up on the wall. I was actually looking for shelves specifically for records on Amazon, and I found them for $20 each. So if you want to do this in your room, definitely go to Home Depot. Don't go on Amazon. So again, shout out to Alexis for that idea, because that was so smart. I got all 4 of the actual vinyls themselves on Amazon. And then right here we have my wall. I had one before too, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. You guys already saw how I combined 2 collage kits, but let me explain what else I did. With my last collage, I did the pictures very much just like next to each other, just in a row, none overlapping, just all in like a straight line. But with this one, I decided to do it more like a collage, so I have a bunch of the pictures overlapping. I think it looks a million times better. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place. Right here on the corner of my bed, I just have my purse. This purse is from Wild Bags USA on Instagram, and I love it so much. Over here, we have my little bin with a bunch of blankets and stuff. So on top, I have my cheetah print blanket. This one is from Nordstrom, I believe. I get questions about this blanket in almost every single video. Moving on, we have my closet, nothing new here. And then right here, we have my desk. Again, nothing really new. The desk is from Target. Right here, I have my salt lamp from Urban Outfitters. I love this thing so much. I genuinely feel like when I turn this thing on, my room just feels better and like happier for some reason. I really love this desk because of this part right here. It opens and it has some outlets and then some little like USB ports right there. I put some little like cable clips right here so that I just can like access them really easily. The little clips are from Five Below. And then I just have some other random stuff in here. I have my schedule written down for college, and then like some wildflower stickers. Nothing interesting. I also have one of those little cable clips over here by my bed. This charger is actually like 10 feet long, I think. It's just so nice to have right here just because of how long the cord is. It's just super easy to grab. Right here, I just have one of my cameras. This isn't where it usually goes. I just don't really know where to put it for now, but I will find a place. And then I have my lamp from Target. This mirror is from Target, I think. I'm like 99% sure it is from Target. And I think that's everything in my entire room. I also do want to mention though that it is not 100% done. There's still maybe like 3 things coming in the mail, I think. So I ordered a little table to go right here. I will have a picture of it on the screen. It's just a cute little like round green table. I thought it would be too much to have like a full-on nightstand right here just because of how like big and like boxy my bed is, I guess. And then I also ordered some vines to go on the ceiling right above my bed. I'll have those on the screen too. I also do want to move my play button to this wall right here, so it would go right there. And then I also have a canvas that I want to put like right below it and like next to it kind of. But yeah, so that is about it. I would say it's like 99% done. I am obsessed with my new room, and you guys probably already know if you've been watching my channel for a while that I loved my room even before. There were just some things I wanted to change to make it perfect. I am in love with the results. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Huge shout out to my parents for helping me with this. So I think that is about it for this video. Make sure to check the description if you want to know where anything's from. Also, if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you made it up until this point, comment banana. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.